These are oak tree, I think, right? Yeah, these are oak. I don't understand why not though. Why wouldn't they be growing? Well, someone might have picked them. I guess what they're talking about they do is they cut them. They cut them instead of picking them so they can grow back. Look at that snake. This is where we found the mushrooms. Over here. But it wasn't the grass. It's amazing. Just been 2 months, right? And it's already grown. The grass wasn't even growing back then like that. I guess they like to grow in clumps of grass. You can't really see them.
Got the good life out here. Ducks.
I guess they like it in the big clumps of grass. Is what I was learning. Man, this sucks. I don't understand why I'm not finding any. It seems like